Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to study for the CFA Level 1. Start by mapping the exam format and topic weights, then set a realistic study calendar with weekly goals. Prioritize ethics and high-weight topics early, and allocate review weeks near the end. Build a materials checklist including official curriculum, a financial calculator, and a reliable question bank to track progress and confidence. Create a practical weekly plan that splits time into reading, practice problems, and focused review. Aim for consistent daily sessions of 5 to 3 hours that fit your life, and adjust intensity as you improve. Use spaced repetition for formulas and concepts, and record weak areas to target on weekends. Keep a progress log and celebrate small wins to maintain momentum and avoid burnout. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making study content. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, and it pairs nicely with disciplined study habits. I find its clear advice funny and grounding when exams get stressful, so check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on active practice with mixed topic question sets under timed conditions to simulate the exam. After each practice session, review every missed question and note the exact concept or calculation error. Build a condensed formula sheet and regularly drill those formulas until they feel automatic. Gradually increase full-length mock exams to build mental stamina and refine time management for the real test.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.